Hello friends, and welcome back to Making Strides Monday. A new day, a new week, and the opportunity to make new strides. It's no doubt that exercise ranks high on the requirement list for living a healthy lifestyle. You can't have exercise without nutrition or nutrition without exercise. They both go hand in hand, but you don't always have to head out to the gym to get your workout in. The gym isn't the only source of exercise. A while back, I wrote a blog about the benefits of lymphasizing and the effects it has on the body. In it, I list 15 amazing benefits, so be sure to head on over and give it a read. I've posted the link to the blog article in the description below. You'll be amazed at how simple and beneficial it is. All you have to do is commit to doing it 5 to 10 minutes a day. That's it. It's a great way to get a workout in without having to leave the house and without having to go to the gym every single day. So if you're one that doesn't like going to the gym but wants to get the body moving without having to leave the house, this is the workout for you. Watch till the end and I'll show you how easy it is to lymphasize. Some of the benefits you can expect are: 1, it helps to push out acid and toxic buildup much faster. 2, burns fat. 3, improves circulation. It's a full body detox that improves digestion and allows the body to easily clean itself in a fun and natural way. It's perfect for the whole family. Remember, a body in motion stays in motion. A body at rest stays at rest. If you commit and focus solely on what it is that you want to achieve, whether it is increased energy or reaching your ideal weight, you'll begin to think less and less of what it is that you didn't like about exercising to begin with, especially when you start to see and feel the results. This week, start by keeping it simple and make strides toward incorporating a simple exercise method that works for you right now. It could be taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or take breaks to walk the stairs for just 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe even go for a bike ride. You decide. Then, work your way up from there. I posted the link to the lymphasizer I use in the description below if you're interested and are ready to give it a try. Best of all, it's affordable and so easy to assemble. Exercise does not have to be boring. Make it fun. Change it up as often as you'd like and you'll find yourself enjoying it more and more each time, especially as you begin to see and feel your health shape up. Hope you found value in this video, and if you have, share it with someone who could use the inspiration. Any idea is worth the share. You never know who you might be helping in the process. Until the next one, hope you have an awesome day ahead and a great start to your week. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos to come.